and good afternoon, gentlemen. Hold on, let me get my glasses. I can't see nada. Alright. We went and planted some trees this morning. I got out there, I guess, about 4:30 this morning. The sun came up, I guess, around 5:30 something, 5:40. And right now it's about 3, almost 4 o'clock. So this video is going to be uploaded kind of late. So what I wanted to do is to pick this 7-pin ILCO. Now, when it's in the door, you turn the key to the left to open the door up normally. Is that right? Because that way is lock, I assume. This way is unlock. Anyway, we're going to try to pick it and see what we come up with. And yeah, I'm going to pick it upside down or the American way. Okay, here we go. I had to put some tape on there because this thing is sharp, man. There's all kinds of sharp edges around here. I don't know what I guess they just unscrewed it from the housing and threw it in the trash, but this has got sharp edges everywhere. So I'm trying to protect my fingers. And we're going to try to pick it. I think that's too deep of a hook right there. I don't think there's going to be no raking it. Let's see what we could do here. Let's try my improved diamond pick. I don't know if it's how much improved it is, but we'll see. It's a little bit better. It's not as tall as that other hook. Man, that number 7 pin is way back there. Holy cow. I don't know if we're going to be able to pick this one or not. Yep, I just blew it. Let's try it again. Hmm. Seven pins, I don't know. Wow, holy shit. We just opened it up. I'll be damned. Let me see if I can take off them screws right there. We're already at 5 minutes, man. This thing's gonna take a week to upload. Let me see here. See if I can undo these screws right here. Holy shit. Hold on. I gotta stand up and put some pressure down on this thing on a hardwood table. Let me put some pressure on it. Oh. Damn. Yeah. It ain't gonna come apart like that. This thing ain't never been taken apart before, and these screws must be really hard set. So, what we're gonna do is, not that I want to, but we're gonna take it apart. We're gonna take it all the way apart. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put it back together, I guess, later on or something, but I want to see what's in here. And I know y'all do too, so let's give it a shot, man. I don't know if this will work or not, but we're gonna try. Oh, hold on a minute. We're getting close. Wow. Look, all of them are full. All 7 pins, man. Holy cow. I never would have believed it. Never would have believed it. Number 1 spring, or I mean number 7, number 6, number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. Alright, let's get number 6 out of there. Wow, holy cow. Okay, that was number 7, I mean. Number 7. Number 6. Wow, number 6. Number 5. Number 4. These things keep trying to roll away from you, man. Number 4. Number 3. Number uno, because this lid's right here, I can't get number 2 out without spilling all of them. Holy shit, that's a lot of freaking pins, man. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if we can zoom in. Look at that, bro. They're all standard pins. I never would have guessed would be 7 real pins in there, though. No way. And the funny thing is you can actually see the wear on the pins. See how shiny the very tip of the key pins are? From all that key wiggling back and forth trying to make this key right here. You can actually see the wear on the pins, man. Where the pins have been worn down from all that scraping and rubbing on them. Look at that, baby. Alright, I'm going to let you all go, man. I'll talk with you all later on. Take care of yourselves.